Legislature of Maharashtra. Legislature of Maharashtra has two houses, namely Vidhan Sabha, Legislative Assembly, and Vidhan Parishad, Legislative Council. Vidhan Sabha, Legislative Assembly. This is the first house of the Maharashtra Legislature and comprises of 288 members. In case there is inadequate representation of the Anglo-Indian community, the governor nominates one member from this community in the Vidhan Sabha. Some seats are reserved for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Maharashtra is divided into territorial constituencies for the purpose of election. One member is elected from each of the constituencies. Tenure of Vidhan Sabha is 5 years. However, in exceptional circumstances, elections can be held before the completion of 5 years. Any citizen residing in Maharashtra and who has completed 25 years of age can contest the elections to the Vidhan Sabha. Speaker of Vidhan Sabha. The proceedings of the Vidhan Sabha are carried out under the supervision and guidance of the Speaker. The elected members of the newly constituted Vidhan Sabha elect the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha from amongst themselves. The Speaker has many responsibilities which range from the power to prepare the order of business, to carry out the proceedings of the House in a disciplined manner, or to suspend members for misbehavior or misconduct. In absence of the Speaker, the responsibility is taken over by the Deputy Speaker. Maharashtra's legislature conducts minimum 3 sessions in a year. The budget session and monsoon session is conducted in Mumbai, while the winter session is conducted in Nagpur. Vidhan Parishad, the Legislative Council. It is the second house of the Maharashtra legislature, and members are indirectly elected from various sections of society. There are 78 members in the Vidhan Parishad of Maharashtra. Of these, some members who are distinguished personalities from the fields of literature, science, and social service are nominated by the governor. Remaining representatives are elected by the members of Vidhan Sabha, local government institutions, teacher constituencies, and graduate constituencies. The Vidhan Parishad is never fully dissolved. A specific number of members retire every 2 years, and these vacant seats are filled again by conducting fresh elections for those seats. The proceedings of the Vidhan Parishad are conducted under the control and guidance of the chairman. In absence of the chairman, the deputy chairman takes over the responsibility.